Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add WordPress website in Google Analytics. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then search for how to add WordPress website in Google Analytics. Once you're here, there will be options or search results, and then you'll go to People Ask and then click on the drop down. Now wait for the website to finish loading. This might take some time, but don't worry, I'm here. Once the website finally loads, the drop-down will appear. In here it says, how do I add my WordPress site to Google Analytics? The answer is, copy the measurement ID and go to Tools, and then go to Marketing, and then go to Traffic. Once you head to Tools, then Marketing, Traffic, and scroll down until you find the Google Analytics section. Paste the ID you copied from Google Analytics into the Google Analytics measurement ID box. And that should be it. I'm just doing a voiceover for this one, but once you are doing it permanently, or you're already applying the steps and processes, you can follow along with what I said. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.